this video clip, I'll be talking about the blower feature. Now, for most operations, you're going to be using your shop vac to vacuum up potentially things in your car, or your house, or your workshop. This particular shop vac also has a feature that allows you to blow air, so it could be used as kind of like a power sweeper or a leaf blower. Now, the front of our vacuum has an inlet port which will allow you to suck up materials, and the back of our vacuum has an exit port, and this is going to allow you to use your vacuum as an air blower. To switch your vacuum over, you need to remove the hose from the front and place the hose into the back. Now when you turn it on, there's going to be lots of air coming out of the hose rather than going in. When using this feature, you do, however, want to be very careful, because when using certain attachments, the powerful force of air coming out could actually injure you or injure someone else, or it could kick up debris that could potentially hurt you or someone else.